Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody to FPA Daily Update on the gold market. Recently, guys, as you can see, yesterday we did not have any big changes, so this was really minor trading session here on the gold market. And as we have said in our weekly research, mostly to estimate the new direction, gold should break some important levels or to show an ability to move in upward direction. As we have said in our weekly research, we see real limitation of the upside potential in the gold market right now by many reasons, fundamentally, technically. So speaking on technically, on the technical issues, gold market right now stands in a long-term upward action that has happened for the first time after the long-term bearish drop. And gold market has really significant bearish momentum that still exists. To continue upward trend to the new highs, gold market should fade down the existing bearish momentum. For that purpose, it will need sooner or later some significant retracement. Taking into consideration the habits of the gold market likes to show the deep retracements. That's why we can't exclude that market could drop to the 1180, 1160 area in a long-term perspective. But this will not break our overall view on the long-term bull trend. So this will be just a retracement in the long-term bull trend, as we see right now. So market right now, as we have said in our monthly analysis, market really could form right now the reverse head and shoulders on the monthly chart, and the bottom of the right shoulder will stand around 1180, 1160. This partially is confirmed by the fundamental process that we see. First of all, the United States economy. So we see that United States economy is taking the pace, and based on the analysis of the non-farm payrolls data, we see that not only the employment is growing, but also the wages are growing. So the 2.6% inflation right now stands in the wages, and this is very healthy numbers. So that's why we expect that probably the Fed Reserve will hike the rate in December and somewhere in the first quarter of the 2017. So we see that the 50% rate hiking should happen within the nearest half of the year, or maybe 3 quarters. So this will be not very good for a gold market, and that could become one of the issues that will press on the gold market, and that will lead to this deep retracement. So as you can see, the technical and fundamentally, we see the reasons. Reasons exist for retracement on the gold market. That's if we talk on some on the longer term perspective. And the shorter term perspective, so as I said, mostly this will depend on either the breakout of the significant supports to the downside, or if market will show the inability to continue move higher, because on the 1383 there's a strong resistance there on the monthly chart, and also you can see this monthly pivot resistance one. And gold market likes to show the failure breakouts. It's like to punish the traders, grab the stops. So that's why we can't exclude that really market could form some kind of the wash and rinse of this top, grab the stops that have been placed here, and after that drop. This is one of the scenarios that we seriously watch for. And we still think that's really possible, because we have also the bullish grabber on the weekly chart that suggests the taking out of this top. Here, as drop on the non-farm payrolls has happened without any spikes up, it keeps this swing valid, and that it keeps this swing valid, and it's possible for forming of the butterfly here. That's become the left wing. That's could become the right wing. But the jump up to the 12. That's 127 targets, around 1390 probably. This market could complete this grabber grab the stops here, and after that, based on this reversal butterfly, market could start downward action. This is one of the scenarios. Another scenario is more simple. If market will drop here, taking out of these lows, erase the bullish grabber on the weekly chart and just continue move lower. In this case, we could get some kind of the double top or something of that sort. But the result will be the same. But taking into consideration the gold's habits, the chances with the washout of this top seems more probable. Anyway, in the tactical perspective, we could only make some scalp trading inside of this range of this consolidation and wait for important signals. As I said, either breakout down or inability of the continue move higher. This will be very important moments that we're waiting for, but probably they will come not in the current week. So on the intraday charts, on the current week, we will be watching for this triangle action. We have mentioned it slightly on the weekly research, but currently it comes to the final stage of the development. So you can see this 1, 2, 3, 4th swing inside of it. Usually breakout comes on the 5th swing. And here it's a very important moment. Take a look. This market right now is forming some kind of the consolidation here. Why this is important? Because if market will turn up and will not touch the lower border of this triangle, this will significantly increase the upper breakout and taking out of this top. It's but precisely the scenario that we expect to see. You probably remember why we think that this should be mostly washing greens. Mostly because this market overheat in upward direction is too much speculative long positions have been opened and almost none of them had been closed. On this retracement was insufficient to push out some speculators out of the market and lead them to close the longs. Mostly speculators still hold the long positions. That's why it's nobody on the other side of the market who could support the trend, who could purchase more and more to let trend develop further. That's why we think that's gold really very limited in upward direction. Only some catastrophe or something really crisis or something really outstanding could push market higher when it's create some really turmoil in the global sphere. So only in this case gold really could continue moving immediately. But in the current situation, in the current conditions that we have in the market, it's hardly this will happen. So that's why we will be watching for this triangle, and if market will hold here and start to move up without touching the lower border, it will be the signal that probably market will take it out of this top. This will be very important. That's why this is one of the most important moments that we will be watching on the current week. On the hourly chart, guys, as you can see, market right now stands in a consolidation around the 618 support of this most recent swing, and it's completed AB31618 target and creates some kind of the agreement around 1330 area. So it could turn up differently. So maybe it will form some butterfly and will touch the weekly pivot support one, or it will turn up immediately. This is not really very important for us. For us, it will be important if market will turn up here and will not touch the lower border. That will be major signal. It absolutely not really matter how it will happen, whether market will form the butterfly on hourly chart or it will turn here up right here. The fact is that move up will start without touching the lower border. This will be very important. If market will drop further and will touch the lower border of this triangle, well, in this case we will have to watch for some more signs, some more patterns or something of that sort. But still, we will be watching for this triangle in the current week, because nothing else we could do here. While market stands inside of this consolidation, we could make only some scalp trades or waiting for some more signals until market will not abandon this area. And some big events probably will happen only when the market will be out of this consolidation. But as I said, this probably will happen not on the current week, so we have nothing more but just watch what will happen inside of this triangle. So let's see what we will get.